Laconia traffic, Skylane 3067 Yankee, 2.5 miles northwest of Laconia, inbound for full stop landing, 2,500 feet. See that plane right there?
Yep.
Traffic, come down on 6126.
Now, have you, did they announce they're there, or you got it?
I haven't seen the guy. I never saw the guy. Except,
traffic time in 8 Delta.
well, I saw him, I didn't hear him, rather, sorry.
45 for runway 26, 8 Delta. Laconia. Laconia traffic, Robinson helicopter taxiing taxiway Charlie towards runway 26. Southeast, runway 3000 feet.
So what we're going to do is turn out this way, and then we're going to enter into the crosswind, which is perpendicular to the departure into the runway. Oil pressure's good, oil temp is good, cylinder head temps are good. Laconia traffic, blue Skylane 3067 Yankee, 2,800, entering a left crosswind for full stop landing, runway 26, Laconia. Plane right there, see him? Off the windshield, off to the right.
Oh yeah, Bailey.
Yep.
Laconia traffic, Skyx 685 Delta Whiskey, short runway 26 on taxiway Alpha. We'll remain holding short for landing Skylane traffic if you guys are pretty close.
Yeah, we're actually turning a left crosswind, entering into the pattern, so we'll just be a minute or two, if you don't mind.
Traffic, good. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just wait. 5 Delta Whiskey. 808.
Laconia traffic, blue Skylane 3067 Yankee, established on a left crosswind, runway 26, Laconia. See that guy coming in right there?
No, 126, going downwind, runway 35 of it.
Okay, he's right there, there's a little black dot in the sky.
Center for traffic, Dutch is
Laconia traffic, runway departing 26, Russell traffic.
Yep, I got him.
South to west, we're inbound landing 244.
Is he leaving or coming?
Traffic.
I don't know what he's doing. Laconia traffic, blue Skylane 3067 Yankee, turning a left downwind for full stop, runway 26, Laconia traffic. Fuels on both mixtures, Rich, prop full forward. I don't know what this guy's doing over here.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 450 Bravo is 8 miles north of the field, maneuvering at 3000 Laconia.
All right, get some more wind.
Density altitude,
Weather.
2,400. Laconia Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation, 1618, Zulu. Wind variable at 03.
Laconia traffic, blue Skylane 3067 Yankee, established on a left downwind, runway 26, Laconia traffic. Okay, fuels on both, mixtures full rich, prop full forward, cowl flaps open. Gonna close the cowl flaps halfway.
Traffic, Cessna 7002 Foxtrot, about 5 miles southwest of the airport, inbound 26 Laconia.
Okay, we're at pattern altitude now, 1,600 feet, which is 1,000 feet above the ground. Use power.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 450 Bravo is 5 miles north. We're going to cross midfield at 3000 and then set up a 45 for the left downwind 26 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, blue Skylane 3067 Yankees, turning base for 26 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Seneca 62, Mike Pops, crossing runway 26 midfield on the ground.
In Laconia traffic, blue sky lane 3067 Yankee, turning base to final, runway 26, Laconia traffic.
And Laconia traffic, Seneca 2 Mike Pop is clear 26 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Cessna 700 Foxtrot, 3 miles southwest of the field, inbound for 26 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Grumman left downwind, full stop, landing west Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 450 Bravo is crossing midfield to the south of 3000 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, blue sky lane 3067 Yankee, clear of all runways, Laconia traffic.
Laconia traffic, Cessna 7002 Foxtrot, entering the downwind, runway 26 at 45, Laconia.
Well, that was a busy approach and landing operation there. Feel free to chat it up now. We're good.
No, but it gave me a chance to see how you communicate.
Yeah.
You let everybody know you're out there.
Laconia traffic, Grumman left base, landing west Laconia.
You know you have somebody around you if they're not showing up. You know you keep an eye out.
Yep. And generally speaking, I mean, you know that this is where airplanes converge, so you gotta kind of really be on it.
Almost the whole area out there, basically. You know, because people are going up to take a look at the same stuff we went up to take a look at, you know?
That was a Diamond Star right there that didn't make the radio call. Which is I mean, you know, God knows I've done it before. It's just that on like the 4th of July weekend, you know, see how many planes are here. It's a known destination, and
I'd imagine tomorrow's going to be a mob scene.
I would think so.
Again, I got to mention the landing. I mean, I wasn't sure we were even down yet.
That was a pretty good landing. I mean, I've had some real bumpy ones, but practice makes better. Never perfect, but better.
Laconia traffic, Cessna 7002 Foxtrot, entering left base, runway 26 Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Warrior 450 Bravo is 5 south. We're starting at 45 to the left, downwind 26 Laconia.